A new literacy and math program used collaboration to engage both students and teachers. Ballard correspondent Laurel Deppen explains.
Students have an understanding of where they're going, the big picture, the end goal, and then how the daily learning targets all connect that together. So we have seen more intentional planning on the part of the teacher, and then also increased student engagement.
Several schools throughout the district have implemented a new program that promotes learning in a new way. LDC, or Literary Design Collaborative, is a nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting educators in successfully implementing the high expectations of college and career readiness standards.
I think LDC has really changed student engagement for me and for my students because my students know up front where we're going with the lesson. They know what we're going to learn and why we're learning it because they know what the outcome is going to be at the end. Usually it's going to be some type of writing piece, so as we go through instruction throughout the module, they know we're getting ready to do this task at the end. Another way that LDC helps is that we have a critical focus question that helps the students to engage in it, and it's an engaging question that they're interested in, and it really ties the learning together because they see a bigger reason for why we're talking about what we're talking about, and they're interested in the topics that we talk about. So it makes them want to learn more about it and makes them interested in then writing about it at the end.
LDC's sister program, MDC, or Math Design Collaborative, also empowers teachers and students to be successful in many things.
In my math class, we play some games which are more engaging, and it makes math fun instead of just opening the book and copying the teacher's notes. And then we work in groups so that if you get a different answer, then the kids in your group can help you.
Well, normally Ms. Clayton will show us a main strategy, which is her way of doing stuff, and us as students can come up with our own strategies. And like me and my partner Helena, most of the time, she will show me her strategies on how to do something, and sometimes it's easier for me than what Ms. Clayton has showed us, and I'll show her my strategies for doing something, and it'll help her more than like what Ms. Clayton has showed her from the notes on the board.
They're better learners, they work in groups better, they like to get up and perform better in front of class on the board.
It has caused us to go from basically having a fixed mindset to a growth mindset because we wanted to look at our language arts and our math instructional strategies and see what we could do to improve our instructional strategies in hopes that we would increase our student achievement.
I can't tell you, it's like night and day. We are still working and still have a lot of goals that we're still striving for. But when you are in our math classrooms, you see students who are actively engaged in their mathematics, actually taking ownership of what they're learning. There's a high energy that is in our math classrooms. It's really addictive.
I'm Ballard correspondent Laurel Deppen.